Hey there, welcome to BLUETTI Support. In this video, we're diving into the all-new Elite 30 V2 to see what makes it so lightweight yet incredibly powerful. Before we begin, here are the tools you'll need. And most importantly, make sure the unit's completely powered off. So now to start things off, let's remove the bottom screws and lift off the top panel. You'll see this premium flame-retardant ABS, specially reinforced for durability and enhanced safety. Take a look at the upgraded smart cooling system. This carefully crafted airflow channel works together with the smart temperature-responsive fans, keeping the system cool, quiet, and energy efficient. All right, next up, take out the B+ screw. Remove the two screws securing the panel. Disconnect the cables linking the motherboard to the front panel. Then lift the panel away. Its refreshed design brings a sophisticated finish with a refined texture, together with the upgraded display for sharper visuals and a more intuitive interface. Now unscrew the bottom shell to separate it. Remove the fan, and here's a clear look at the motherboard. By fully integrating the BMS and the no-wire design, the Elite 30 V2 becomes more robust and less susceptible to failure. With fast-acting relays, the unit switches to UPS mode in just 10 milliseconds during a power outage. Plus, the rounded copper inductors also do their parts in better dissipation. Underneath the motherboard is the whole battery pack, shielded by a protective metal layer to minimize electromagnetic interference for extra safety. Along with the automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate cells inside, you get complete peace of mind. And that's everything inside. Now let's quickly put it all back together. All done. Let's do a quick check to make sure it's working properly. Looks good. We're all set. From the inside out, BLUETTI powers you safely.